Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Apple Watch, and the only thing that is showing is the time. You can't do nothing else, and the reason is because you are in low power reserve mode. And I'll show you how to get out of this. Very, very simple. So again, I mean, no matter what you push here, the only thing that pops up is the time. So if you want to get out of low power reserve mode, what you got to do is press and hold the side button until we see the Apple logo appear. So here's the side button right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold and continue to hold. Do not let go until we see the Apple logo appear. I'm still holding onto the side button here. Wait for that Apple logo to appear. There it is. Now I can go ahead and let go. And now give your Apple Watch about 30 seconds to a minute till it boots back up. I'll go ahead and let me wait until till it boots back up. All right, so we should be about entering. It should be about booted up. It's getting ready to come back on really soon here, and there we go. And now you can see that we are back in business. All right, any questions? Comment below. See you guys.